Hello everybody and welcome back to Challenge Fatty. Welcome to a new test I'm doing using the GoPro as a video, and then I'm recording separate audio, and then I'm going to see if it works any better. Now, if I can do this test and stitch up the audio, then I might try another test of driving along with all the road noise involved and see how that works. Cool? Thank you. Bye. Okay everybody, I'm going to do a little bit of a comparison. So I need to learn exactly how loud this thing is when I'm doing back roads, which is what we're currently doing, coming out of the village, and I'm also going to do a motorway run, because that's obviously where the road noise is loudest, because Cheshire motorways are about as rough as a 75-year-old single, just rough. I can't even, they're so rough I can't even think of an analogy. I mean, what's rough? What is really rough? Sandpaper wrapped around a bag of nails. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, lights are about to turn green. We are at Burton Wood Services. And the voice assistant has come on in my car because reasons. Right, I'm just accelerating down onto motorway. Oh look, we're already doing 70, right, back off. Right, okay. So the reason why I'm doing this with a wired mic rather than a Bluetooth mic is very, very simple. What I want to do is I want to prove out that I can do this and I can stitch together audio, and that it is a vast improvement over the shit audio that I used last time. So yeah, I want to prove out that before I spend the money on buying a new GoPro, a Bluetooth mic, and all the rest of the other things which have been suggested that I really desperately need. Bear with me, seeing how we're only doing one junction, I'm going to come off here, making sure I check my mirrors. Nobody actually commented on my driving, and thank you very much for that. I'm going to take it the fact that my driving wasn't as scarily crap as I think it is. A few of you know my driving, and yeah. Anyway, back in a second. Now, me being an engineer, I have to say one thing. It would be very, very remiss of me if I didn't do a back-to-back test. So, what we're going to do now, as we head back on, is I'm going to do a GoPro microphone only test. So, this is without the microphone. This is just the noise off the microphone. Now, obviously I'm going to have to keep on talking. Oh shit, I keep on doing that. One thing with electric cars, they accelerate very quickly and very silently to a point where you don't realise exactly how quickly you're travelling. So I'm now noticeably, with a sore throat, raising my voice so that you can hear me, which I think was half the problem last time. So again, we're cruising at 70 miles an hour like we were last time, and I hope the audio quality is appreciably different. If it's not, then I'll just get a new GoPro and I'll use the media mic off the GoPro. Okay, catch you later. Thank you very much to all the subscribers. Thank you very much to all the people who commented on this video, the last video, Rob Walks the Dog before, and any other interactions I've had with you. Thank you very much. You are making this all worthwhile, and I am eternally grateful. Thank you.